Okay, so basically is your whistle. Cross those two. These go there. And you take the tip of your tongue, I guess. And that's how you practice with that. That's your starting point right there. And you work on that. Then you can move on to the whole. Then you graduate to, or this isn't even graduation. This is just where I get my high pitch from. But then I always wanted to whistle with nothing. And I can't. Uncle Danny can. But anyway, again, refresher. Cross your fingers. Oh, I can't even do that. Too many fingers in my mouth. Okay. And then again. And then. Cool. Take it for what it's worth. Punk ass.